Have you ever wanted to blur someone's face in a photo before sharing it online? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a hidden iPhone Photos app feature that lets you quickly hide a person's identity without using any third-party apps. This is perfect for protecting someone's privacy and posting photos on social media or sharing images with friends and family. Here's how it works. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the photo that you want to edit. Next, tap on the Edit button located at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the toolbar, tap on the Cleanup tool. Once you enter the cleanup mode, use your finger to carefully draw over the face you want to blur. Try to cover the face precisely and go over it a couple of times if needed. As soon as you lift your finger, iOS will automatically apply identity protection and blur the person's face using a pixelated effect, making them unrecognizable. You can repeat the same process for multiple faces in the same photo. You can also pinch to zoom in, which makes selecting faces much easier and more accurate. And the best part is that this works not only on photos taken with your iPhone but also with images downloaded from the internet. That's it. This is how you can use the cleanup tool on your iPhone to quickly protect people's privacy before sharing photos online. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.